everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Meks Journey here, PlannergirlMek on Instagram. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. And I am working with the Frozen Weekly Vertical kits, part of the Fairytale Princess bundle. I have already laid down my glitter headers, and right now I am working on my sidebar. If you've watched any of my previous videos, you know sidebar is always the first thing that I try to do with my digitals because if my sidebar is not flowing right, it just doesn't work. I just can't get the visual of what I want the rest of the week to look like. But oh my goodness, look at these colors, the way it flows. Elsa is looking fierce. I mean, I love it. I incorporated both skin tones into the spread because we have to give props to the original E, the original Elsa. You know what I'm saying? I wish we had the other sister in this kit. That would have been cool to have both sisters. I probably should have went on Google and just grabbed a picture, but anywho's, it came out bomb.com anyways, so I'm loving it. Right now, I am centering my flowers with my January header to let me know what week I'm in, and later on in the video I will cut the rest of that flower that's sticking out around the box out. It won't matter if I cut it for the printed version, but for the digital it will show, and I don't want it to. So I will cut that and make it look pretty. Right now I am laying down my full boxes and trying to figure out what exactly I want to do with my full boxes, because we didn't have a lot of extra boxes with the Frozen kit, so I'm trying to see how I want to lay everything down, get my foundation going because I like to put a foundation down before I start putting in any scripts or my day-to-day items, as we call it. But yes, now I am getting ready to lay down. Y'all, how many videos have I done? And I still don't know the name of what these boxes are called. Are they half? They're half something. Half circles, half. I mean, I don't know what they're called. Help me. But I always use them. I love them ever since they got added into the new format of the kits. I was like, I'm gonna use them, but I'm using some of the half boxes as well as the other pretties. We'll call them pretties. That's what we'll call them. Yeah, so we're using all of that, and right now I am laying down the bottom washi. Look at that floral. Oh, so pretty. Look at this. Yes. And I think when I do the printed version, I'm going to pull out some of my iconic imperfection. I have some snowflakes, silver foil snowflakes. Yes, I'm going to throw that in there. It's going to bling. Yes, ma'am. But this kit is so cute. I think I'm going to go watch the Frozen movie after I see this or listen to the soundtrack. But I am straightening out the boxes, making sure they are aligned correctly, and making it just pretty before I get into my scripts because I'm very tedious about that. And right now I am working on. I'm so proud of this. If you guys have seen any of my videos before, y'all know how proud and excited I am about my digital washi banner. Yes, ma'am, saves so much time, and oh my goodness, in these mom life, homeschool, stay at home mom, also working from home streets. Time is not on my side, let me tell you. So when the light bulb finally came on and I figured this out, I was like, this is gonna save me even more time. Shout out to Silhouette Digital Planning. Yes, y'all, I'm so excited about this. Love, love, love that the Planner Shack always includes bow headers and glitter headers, and combining those with that knife tool pulls together a beautiful digital washi banner. I love it, love it, love it, love it. Oh my goodness. So now I'm just putting my colors, getting my pattern going. Been working on patterns with my son in homeschool, so it's a pattern. But yeah, I'm getting it all together, making sure it's all lined up cutely, and I'm gonna lay it down and add in the extras that I need. And the magic of digital planning, you can just right click and duplicate and make it work. But once I get that all handled, I believe I go ahead and put the weekend script on top of it, and you will see that like magic in a few seconds. I'm such a perfectionist when it comes to this washi banner. Oh my goodness. But there you go. Next, I will be working on my scripts, pulling those together. I've already kind of grouped a bunch of them together. I do have a digital sticker page, which you will see somewhere in this plan with me, of all of the PR Girls freebie sheets, as well as a ton of other stickers that I just love from various kits, and I've just placed them all on this page. I still have a ton more to add. I think I have about 4 more PR Girls freebie sheets that I need to add to that. It's a project in itself, but it's time, it saves a lot of time, and y'all know me, I am all about saving times, which is why I created this template and I shared it with you all. If you are not a part of our Facebook group, please join us. We have so much fun over there. There is always some type of interaction, and we just a fun, loving group of planner friends just loving it. And the template is there for you to have, along with the monthly as well. But I just laid down my pay bill script, laundry script. I'm fixing the date night script along with my wash hair script. I placed down a happy birthday cake for my cousin. His birthday was on the 14th, and my niece's birthday was on the 16th. And yeah, I think I had an Amazon order. I placed that down. I had planning time, and right now I'm just trying to see where else I would like to add some deco. Mm-hmm. Because this deco is cuteness. This kit, y'all, look at this. It came out so good. You see me here trying to perfect them. Do I want to add anything else to this script? Nope. Fits perfect. Homeschool. Boom. Good. And I'm adding in the nail polish because I try to remind myself to paint my nails. But girl, if you saw my nails right now, you'd be like, Mika, get it together. But right now I am getting rid of anything that I don't need. I am not going to right away delete it because I do at the end of the video take any that I like and want to save and add it to my sticker sheet, and then the rest I just delete and get rid of. Here's part of my little digital sticker sheet. I try to keep it organized. I try to put the girls' names next to their freebie sheets, but yes, I love it. It's super cute. And here I am going back to getting a laundry basket of clothes to mark wash clothes. But y'all, this video is coming to an end, and I truly, truly appreciate you supporting my channel by clicking on this video. To support me even more, please like, comment, and subscribe. It truly, truly helps me out more than you know, and I truly appreciate it. And here you see me fixing that flower and all that good stuff to make it pretty for the digital, which you will see that coming up really soon. But as always, thank you all, and I will chat with you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you later. Bye, guys.